So today we're continuing on with our money chapter and we are working on page 108. Now we remember that when we're using money, we're using a decimal point because the cents are expressed as a fraction or as a decimal of the whole entire euro. For example, here at the top we've got 11 units, 11 euros and 65 cents. So the 6 is 6/10 of euro. And the 5 is 5/100 because it's 5 cents because there's 1 cent in every single, there's 100 cents in every single euro. So at question 1, wants you to find the total of each of these bills. Now, these are going to help you with your multiplication practice, your short multiplication, simply because you're finding multiples. So at bill A, 3 kilograms of sugar. We know what 1 kilogram of sugar is. For 3 kilograms of sugar, we're going to have to multiply it by 3, and that'll give us what 3 kilograms of sugar costs in bill A. Underneath that, in bill A, it wants us to find out what 2 boxes of tea bags will cost. At the top, you will see we know what 1 box of tea bags will be. Multiply it by 2 to find out what 2 boxes of tea bags will be. Similarly, 4 cartons of orange, we know what 1 carton of orange costs. So we must multiply it by 4 to find out what 4 cartons of orange costs. 1 chicken is 11.65. We don't have to multiply that at all. So once we have all of those multiplied out in a list on our bill, then we need to get the total, and we always add to get a total. You'll be continuing to do this for bill B, multiplying to find the quantities. For example, 2 bunches of grapes, multiply 385 by 2. 3 loaves of bread, we know what 1 loaf costs. And once you've done all of that, you've calculated for the quantities, you've done the multiplication, then you add your answers up to reach the total cost of the bill. For bill C, bill D, E and F, you'll do the same, just different multiplying. So sometimes some things repeat themselves and you won't have to do it a second time, just take your answer from before. So here, 4 cartons of orange, you've got that already in bill A. So that'll be helpful to you. Make sure that when you're adding to get the totals that you put the cents under the cents and the euro correctly under the euro so that you don't make a mistake in your adding. Then I just would like you to do number 2, arrange the bills above in order, starting with the smallest total. So whichever is the lesser bill, the smallest bill, put it first, then second, the second smallest bill, and so on until you have the most expensive or the highest bill. So just 1 and 2 today, and we will work on the other problems tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Talk soon.